the Faculty of Engineering and Applied Science. His topic this evening is Build Without Guilt, Carbon Neutral 3D Printing in Construction.
Every building around us feels permanent and strong. But do you know, behind that strength, there is a hidden cost. Concrete is the backbone of modern construction, yet its key ingredient, cement, is responsible for nearly 8% of global carbon dioxide emissions annually. Carbon dioxide is invisible, but its impact is undeniable. Every ton we release wraps our planet in a thicker blanket of heat. So while we build these cities for people, we are quietly damaging the planet. So the real question becomes, can we build without the guilt? Yes, we can. My research focuses on constructing building using additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing with carbon neutral concrete, but with a critical difference. I'm not reducing cement, I am eliminating it. Instead of cement, I will use non-carbon waste-based materials such as sawdust and geopolymer-based binders. Traditional construction depends on large-scale labor, complex supply chain, and a long construction timeline. And these challenges become even more severe in northern and remote areas of Canada. Many indigenous communities are living in overcrowded and aging homes. But housing should never depend on where we live. This is exactly where my research innovation truly begins. Think about it this way. There is a grumpy old man making a chair in a furniture factory. He will produce some waste called sawdust. Now you see the big power plant running on coals. They will produce some waste called geopolymer. I will take these two waste materials and combine them in carefully measured proportion to create a carbon neutral concrete. Now this concrete is then fed into the 3D printer, which deposits it layer by layer following a digital design. And within a day, you can see the walls of a home taking shape right before your eyes. This technology makes it possible for one operating team to build the entire neighborhood. They build faster, safer, and cheaper. They are fire resistant, water resistant, and winter resistant as well. Yes, you heard that right. It removes barriers that have existed for decades. It means that whether you live in a major city, a northern community, or the most remote corner of Canada, you are counted. You matter, and you all deserve a safe and dignified home. This research supports Canada's goal of reaching net zero carbon dioxide emissions by 2050, while addressing one of the most human challenges of our time, housing with dignity. Thank you.